Chicken pot pies typically has a phyllo on top. Today we're using phyllo. Real simple. We've got our fixings right here in the skillet. We need a topping. Follow me. All right, to cover our pot pie, we're just going to take phyllo. Layer 1, layer of butter. And that to be perfect. We'll pull our second layer off. Be very careful. You treat it well, it treats you well. And what I thought I'd do is, so it's easy to serve, we'll just kind of turn these into little rosettes, kind of like that, right? And we'll arrange these on top of our pot pie, probably about 8 of them, depending on the size of your pie. Now we'll bake this at 325, probably for 40 to 45 minutes till it's golden brown.